Hello guys, peace of the Lord Jesus Christ with everybody. You know, I will talk about more mistakes in the Quran. This is unlimited, you know, things to do. Like because the Quran is full of mistakes, so we have to make thousands of videos about mistakes in the Quran because every verse is a mistake. Now let us see this one. This is Surah 79, verse number 27. In here, you know, the Quran supposedly is explaining to us how God He created the sky. But in this verse, we will see something really strange. What is that? In this verse, in this surah, the God of Islam, He's saying that He created the sky first. رفع السماء سمكها فسواها. So He created the sky and then He lifted up and He made it in an order of perfection. And what after that? You know, and its night doth He endue with darkness and splendor. And what after that? Then and the earth He extended. And by the way, it's not extended. You know, and even in translation they are saying wide expanse. But the word dahaha, it's mean He made it very straight, very flat. The word daha, you know, like if you go in the Middle East, if you go to the dictionary, you will see the word daha. You know, there's difference between the word dihya and daha. Daha, it is the one who is making the ground straight and flat. Like if you are making the earth or making a road, you know, you have to do you have to make the floor or the ground flat so you can make a road, you can put a scaffold, you know. So the word dahaha, if you go to the dictionary, you will see its mean as the explanation, actually the translation, you know, they are trying to not to make it so stupid, so they are saying to wide expanse. What wide expanse mean? You know, it's not like extended wide expanse, which actually, like if you are making a bread, how you make the bread? Okay, you put it on the table and you spread the bread out. This is what dahaha mean. Okay, so He made the sky first and then He did the earth. Now, so this surah in here saying the earth was second and the sky was first. I will show you a different verse. The God of Islam saying that He made the sky second and the earth was first. The sky was smoke. And here He's saying no, the earth was not ready. And it's you know, He did not do any work in there because He's doing the work, as you see. So He made the sky first, then He made the earth, and he prepared the earth. He did the work in the earth. So first was the sky. This is His first job. Second was the earth. Now we will see a different verse in the Quran saying totally the opposite, that He made the earth first and the sky was a smoke. The sky was a smoke, which means there's nothing. The sky is not a sky yet, it's just a smoke. Let us see. Okay, let us read together in here. This is Surah 41, verse number 9. We start from here. Say it is that ye deny Him who created the earth in 2 days, and do you join equals with Him. So the earth was created. Okay, after that, verse number 10. He set on the earth mountains standing firm. And this is very stupid thing to say. This is, you know, exposing that the one who made the Quran is very stupid, because the mountains is not seated in the top of the earth. Simply the mountain is part of the earth, is not coming from above. Mountains is coming from the ground. The pressure of 2 tray of the earth will cause mountains to happen. Mountains is not a rain fell down from somewhere else. This is something stupid to say, Mr. Allah. Let us continue. So standing firm high above it. So it's above it, it's not part of it. You see it above it. It's above the earth. It's not inside the earth. It's not part of the earth. It's like something you put at the top of it. And be bestward, blessing on earth. And this is, you know, he gave a blessing to the earth. Okay, and measured everything in the top of it in 4 days. Then what he did. Then he moved moreover. He went to the sky. And the sky was, at that time, it was what? It was a smoke. You see it? So the sky was not made up yet. It was a smoke. There's no sky. So in here, he's saying he made the earth first and the sky next. And the sky was not ready. The sky was just a smoke. And the other verse, if you remember, we said, here we go. He made, you see, he made in here, this is Surah 79, verse number 27, you know. He made the sky first. He created the heaven, and here, heaven, it's a sky, a sama. So he made the sky in above, and he raised everything. It is kanpoi, kanubi, whatever they say it, and he had given it order of perfection. So he made from the sky the light and like the timing. Okay, so the timing is coming from there. And doth he endue with darkness and splendor. So he created the darkness and the splendor. And by the way, if you go to Genesis, you will see the same as in the Bible, saying he's copying the Bible in here, but you know, he's copying it in a very funny, stupid way. And you know what? The one who will make a lie, if he is not really a professional, he will not make it good. He will expose himself big time. This is why they say mostly there's no perfect crime, right? So Satan exposing himself. So, and the earth moreover had he extended to wide expanse. So now he's working in the earth. You see the difference? So in here, he made the sky first, and he made it the lights and everything in the sky. Then he moved over to the earth, and he worked in the earth. In the other one we saw, it is the opposite. As you see in here, Surah 41, verse number 9, he did made the earth first in 2 days, and it was finished. In 2 days, the earth was finished. Then he goes to the sky. And as you see, he made the mountains, he made everything. So the Quran contradicts itself, big time. Let us repeat again. Surah 41, verse 9, saying that earth was created first. And Allah, he put mountains in the top of it. And he gave everything the earth needed. He measured everything, even the food, even everything, even the power. And then he moved over to the sky, and the sky was what? It was a smoke. And it had been as a smoke. So there is nothing yet there. There is no sky really. It was a smoke. In the other verse, in the other surah, it's different. God, he made the sky, he left it up, he made it ready, and he finished it. He put the light in, and then he moved to the earth. You see the contradiction? Let us go there again. Here we go. As you see, this is Surah 79, verse number 27. What are they more difficult to create, or the heaven above Allah had constructed? On height had he raised, it is Kanubi, and he had given it orders in perfection, so it is perfect and completed. It is night doth he endure with darkness, so he did everything. The sky finished, everything is perfection, in order, and he created the light and the darkness. Then he moved to the earth. And by the way, as you see, moreover, and by the way, in Arabic it says, بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ دَحَّاهَا. After that, he made the earth and made the earth ready. And he made it flat, by the way. Dahaha made it ready. So, this is a very huge contradiction. I want Muslims to wake up before it's too late. Your God is false. Your Quran is really a joke. And by the way, after that I will go and I will show you another funny story because in here, in this Quran, in here, in this verse, we will see that the Quran saying that God, He took the water out of the earth. أخرج منها ماءها ومرعاها. He took the water from inside the earth. I will show you from different verses in the Quran that He is saying the opposite, that the water came down from the sky. But now it's saying it's coming down from the earth. But after I finish this one, I will make the other one. Thank you all. Jesus is Lord. Islam is false. Amen.